For those of you who know me, take three guesses. Three guesses on what's in here. What was that? No, it's not beer. It's iced tea. Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. You're a hard one, oh, but you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you will hurt you somehow. Don't you draw the queen of diamonds, boy. She'll beat you if she's able. And the queen of hearts is always your best bet. Now it seems to me some bad things that have been laid upon your table. Oh, but you always seem to want one that you can get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, oh, they're driving you home. Your freedom, oh, freedom, oh, that's just some people talking. Your prison is walking through this world all alone. Don't your feet get cold in the wintertime? The sky won't snow and the sun won't shine. It's hard to tell the nighttime from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows. Ain't it funny how this feeling goes away? Go away, desperado. Why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences. Open the gate, it may be raining. Oh, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. You better let somebody love you. For it's too